Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to change your Instagram username. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to change your Instagram username, then I will show you how to do this. Just you have to open your Instagram, tap on your profile icon. Here you can see just under professional dashboard you will find edit profile. You have to just tap on this. Here you will find name, username and your bio. So you have to just tap on username. Just delete this one. Now type the username which you want to change. So you can see I have written this Sam. It is not available. So you can add any your 3-digit or 4-digit mobile number, or you can add your birth year, or you can add your surname also. So here I will add just any number, Sam underscore 595. So you can see this number is also not available. Like this you have to search and you need to write any unique name. That username should not be available on Instagram, because same username it will be not available. So you have to write any unique, just your name plus surname. Like this you have to add and just save it. Here you will find in top right side corner save option. Just tap on the save. After saving this, you can not change, or you cannot change your name. Means once you have changed your username, it will be not changed again up to 14 days. After 14 days you can change it again. That's it guys. So in this way you can change your username on your Instagram. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.